Hey, you guys. Okay, y'all. So being that we still in this pandemic, I don't be going out to eat like that a lot. I just still don't trust it too tough. So I was feeling like some Chinese chicken wings, and that's what I'm finna make. Okay, so if you want to see how I make mine, just stay tuned. These are the things right here that I'm going to be using, and they will be listed in the description bar below. So I am just showing right here that I have washed my hands, and the chicken has been washed thoroughly. They've been patted dry as well. And now I'm going to start to season it with all the seasonings. And then it's going to marinate. It's going to marinate for about 4 hours or so. So yeah, this is not a recipe that you can just be like, oh, I feel like some Chinese chicken and just do it the next 5 minutes. No, girl. In order for that flavor to get to that bone, you got to let her marinate. Okay? So if you feeling like some Chinese chicken, you just got to go down to the place. Or you got to hold that off for the next day. And then just, go ahead and prep the stuff the day before. Put her in the refrigerator and let her marinate. The longer, the better. Y'all hear me? This was good to the bone. To the bone. Yes, I've had my goalies. I usually do not measure, and technically the only thing I really measured in this was the sesame oil, because sesame oil is really strong, so you don't want to put too much of that sesame oil in there, because it's gonna overpower it and make it have I call it like a burnt taste to it. So you don't want to put too much of that. So yeah, you just go ahead and mix around. My hands are clean, and I'm gonna be eating this. So you go ahead and you mix it up. Get all the seasonings all over the place. That's when I added my egg. And then y'all, I almost forgot the sugar too, girl. You won't see when I'm gonna end up putting the sugar in at the end. But yeah, mix that all around, and after that, put it on in the refrigerator. And once it comes out of the refrigerator, that's when you're gonna put your flour and corn starch right before you fry it. Okay. By the way, excuse this ghetto voiceover, but I could not resist to come outside. Today is such a pretty day, y'all. It's so sunny and pretty, and I'm outside. So if y'all hear like the background, birds chirping and cars going by, I'm outside chilling. And I thought, well, I may as well kill two birds with one stone and do my voiceover too. So that's what it is. Thank y'all for understanding. And I went ahead and add in, I didn't have this at the beginning, but I went ahead and added in some paprika too, just for the color, because y'all know you eat with your eyes first. So I like a little color. I like for my chicken to have a little tan, honey. So that's why I put the paprika on. You don't have to put that on. That's just a me thing right there. So don't fret. That's just on me. So while the chicken is marinating, I just thought I'd just go ahead and show y'all that I just did a simple fried rice with this, because my husband wanted some rice with his chicken, y'all. Y'all know them countrymen, they want rice with everything. So since I had some rice I already cooked, I said, well, I can do some fried rice. It's just the simple kind. I didn't put any vegetables in it, no meat, no nothing, just the rice, salt and pepper, and a little butter and a little bit of egg. and of course the soy sauce. And that's it. That's just a simple way. Now, when you frying rice of any kind, please use, like, when I say old rice, I don't mean too old, but it's been sitting on the counter all day maybe, or cold rice, because you don't want to use freshly cooked rice and it's hot and you'll create just a pan full of mush, okay? So this is just how I do a regular easy fried rice, if you guys were interested. Chicken has marinated for a few hours, and I set it out on the table so it can get to room temperature a little. And this is now where we're putting the flour and cornstarch on it. You don't want to put too much because you don't want it to be like regular fried chicken. You want it to have that look almost like a batter when you mix it and put it on the chicken, just like this. So we're going to drop it in the grease. This regular oil. Is not peanut oil or any special type of oil that we frying it in. And then we're going to let it cook we're double frying it. So we're going to let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes the first time. Take it out, let it rest, cook all of the other chicken. And then we're going to go back for a second round of frying it until it's all the way done. So this right here is the first round that's coming out right now. And we're going to put that onto some paper towel to let it drain off really, really good. And then now this right here is the second round coming out. And that's what you want right there, that golden fried chicken. Oh my God, this was so good, y'all. It was so good. So basically, there you have it. So this is how the chicken turned out, you guys. And I must say, and I mean, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I may be giving the Chinese people not, a run for their money, but honey, even better. So anyway, y'all, if y'all like this video, then why don't you subscribe already? Just go ahead on, click the subscribe button, okay? So you can get more of these types of videos and let me know what y'all want me to make next. So remember to stay blessed, drink plenty of water, and mind your own business. And I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, thank you. Love y'all. Bye.